Alex and Christine, this is a bench trial, so the judge, without a jury, will decide the fate of Heather Barron and Kareem Leiva. They both face a charge of murder with special circumstance. The DA laid out devastating evidence against the couple that left many in the courtroom in tears.
And was he not unconscious?
No, he was fine. He took a shower. He was eating. He was fine.
The voice of Heather Barron in a recorded conversation with the doctor the day Anthony Avalos was taken unconscious to the hospital.
He was fine. He saw me this morning. I made him eggs. He was fine. He was saying he loves me.
She's blocked by her attorney in her bench trial before Judge Sam Ota. Her co-defendant, Kareem Leiva, is also heard in a recording with the sheriff's detectives.
Did you do some of that person? I told you to leave.
The two face murder with special circumstance of torture. There are also child abuse counts involving two of their other children. The DA played two recordings of Barron. In both cases, she blamed Anthony for his injuries, claiming he threw himself to the ground.
I did not do this. He threw some back and I didn't think nothing of it.
The DA displayed photos of the items used to allegedly torture Anthony, weights and a brick he had to hold up while standing in the corner. If he dropped the item, he'd be punished further, whipped with cords and a belt. Saeed Taimouri promised testimony from doctors, nurses, the coroner, explaining the extent of Anthony's injuries, that he was severely malnourished and his body was covered head to toe with bruises and wounds.
He was so malnourished and dehydrated that his veins were collapsed, and the first responders had to drill into his shin, into his tibia, to administer an IV.
Perhaps the most impactful moment came when the photo of a smiling Anthony was juxtaposed with shots of his extensive injuries and a video of him lying in the hospital bed, already brain dead. Plenty of people could be heard crying. Heather Barron's attorney declined to give an opening statement, but Leiva's attorney argued that most of what the DA presented was not enough to prove murder.
The evidence demonstrating a lack of intent to kill, closely coupled with the issues of causation, which the evidence in this case will show is more complex than the prosecution would have the court believe from its opening.
So Leiva's attorney's opening statement suggests that he's trying to move more of the blame to Heather Barron and argue against murder. We still don't know what Barron's attorney's strategy will include. The attorneys estimate this will be a 5-week trial.